Hello everyone, my subject name is Computing and Informatics. This is from AMI section A. I have selected topic data representation for numeric number only. In this topic, I am going to explain four types of number systems, that is binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. First we will see binary system. Bi means 2. In this system, data is represented with 0 and 1. Suppose I want to represent this 30 numeric number in a binary format, then I have to divide it by 2. I'll get quotient 15 and remainder 0. Consider the quotient and divide it with 2. We will get a quotient 7 and remainder 1. Next, consider this quotient and divide it with 2. We will get quotient 3 and remainder 1. Consider a quotient 3 divided by 2. We will get a quotient 1 and remainder 1. Then consider a quotient 1 divided by 2. Quotient is less than 2. That's why it is a remainder. To represent a 30 numeric number in a binary format, arrange all these remainders, track on these remainders in a reverse direction. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 30 numeric number in decimal system can be represented 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 in a binary format. Octal system. Octa means 8. In this type of system, data is represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All these are the total 8 numbers. I am again considering the same example. Suppose I want to convert this 30 number into an octal system, then I should divide it by 8. I will get a quotient 3 and remainder 6. Now quotient 3 I will divide by 8. I will get a remainder 3 because quotient is less than 8. To represent this number in an octal system, track on remainders, arrange it in a reverse direction from bottom to top, that is 3, 6 in octal system. 30 decimal system is equivalent to 3, 6 in a octal system. Now decimal system. Deca means 10. In this type of system, data is represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 10 numbers starting from 0 to 9. Consider the same example. Numeric number 30 divide by 10. Quotient is 3, remainder is 0. Quotient 3 I am dividing by 10. 3 is less than 10, so it is a remainder. Arrange from bottom to top. 30 in decimal is equals to 30. 3 0 in a decimal system. Now hexadecimal system. Hexa means 16. In this type of system, data is represented with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14 and F means 15. Again consider the same example. Numeric number 30. I'll divide it by 16. Quotient is 1. Remainder is 14. Consider a quotient 1 divided with 16. Quotient is less than 16. So it is a remainder. Arrange it from bottom to top. 1, 1, 4. That is nothing but 114. In hexadecimal system, this 14 is represented with letter 1E in a hexadecimal system. 30 in a decimal system is equivalent to 1E in a hexadecimal system. Don't forget to replace this 14 by E. This is all about the number systems. 4 types of number systems we learned, that are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Thank you.